Hey, welcome to another video from Medical Gear Outfitters. We're going to talk some burn care items that we have in stock we talk about. So we're talking about some minor burns all the way up to moderate and severe burns. So minor burns, let's talk about just a plain ice pack. This is someone, you burn your finger on some hot water. There's no, it's just painful. You can run it under cold water, but if you don't have cold water access, just an ice pack, just going to help cool it down a little bit. You touch something hot, kind of cool it down. I'm thinking about like hot water, hand, things like that. Help cool it down a little bit. And then we have some burn cream. There again, I'm thinking like minor burn injuries, maybe a first degree burn, something like that we're going to treat with the cream here. We're not talking about blisters or third degree burns, you know, that just some minor burns here. Kind of move up a little bit. I think this is going to be more for the minor to moderate kind of easing. It's a little bit different chemical here, but still probably just for like a minor burn. It's going to take care of that, the pain and all the irritation comes with the burn there. Start moving up to like the moderate burn. I think this is what we're talking about here, the burn dressing. So this is our 4x4 here. That's not going to stick to the wound, but this is going to be for that moderate burn that we have blisters for, super painful, things like that. Here, kind of the same thought process, but a different chemical here for the burn. So this is, we can see it for like white phosphorus, like a chemical burn here. We do want to try to get the chemical off of the wound here, but this is going to be for that moderate to severe burn. We're talking about severe burns, infection is key. So if we can keep that wound clean and dry and sterile, that's what we're going to use this burn sheet for. We don't want to wet those wounds either. So a dry, sterile sheet so we can cover up the extremity, the chest, wherever the burn is, we can cover it up with this. So this is just kind of an idea of what we carry for burns, anything from minor to severe burns we have you taken care of. I'll put a link down below. Go check out medicalgearoutfitters.com.